So a lot of you guys asked me how I make ranting videos like these for Roblox. So today I'm basically gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. I'm gonna make a brand new video. Everything will be raw on this video. You will not miss anything. I will provide you with every single website you need to use. So let's just get started. The first thing, you need to find a video that you want to copy. Or you can write your own story, but it's easier to just copy someone else's. For example, I found this video right here.
Bro, at this point, GTA 6 isn't a game. It's a myth.
It's basically about GTA 6 never coming out. All you have to do, copy the video URL, head to this website. Then you will get the transcript of the video. Right here, you just copy it. Then you go to ChatGPT and you rewrite this Roblox ranting video. And you just let it rewrite it. If you don't like what it basically writes for you, you can always ask it to change some details or make it shorter or longer. I usually like to keep it under 500 characters in total. Let me read over this real quick. Okay. This looks pretty good. Next up, you're heading to 11 Labs, which is free to use. Then I'm gonna delete this, and let it generate speech. You need to be using this Adam voice.
At this point, GTA 6 isn't...
You need to be using this Adam voice with these settings, basically. That's the best voice for these ranting videos. It's 800 characters, which is a bit longer than I like it to be, but that's still completely fine. Then you click download. Wait till it downloads. Then you go in your editing app. I use CapCut. You create a new project. Then you insert the audio you just downloaded. See, it's 56 seconds long, which is a bit too long for my liking, but it can still work. You take it, you go to speed, change audio pitch. This is very important. You need to make sure this is activated. I like to keep it at 1.55 times speed, or somewhere around there. See, now it takes it down to 36 seconds, which is not that bad. Usually I like to cut it up, all these empty parts, so it flows better. But this time I'm not gonna do it just so it's faster.
Bro, at this point, GTA 6 isn't even...
As you can see, it sounds exactly like every ranting video, which is what you want. Next thing, you need to record a video for the background, which I did yesterday already for this video. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna change the ratio to 9:16. Gonna go here, crop the video a bit. Make sure it's muted. Next thing we want to do is crop the actual video to 9:16. So it looks basically like this. Let me crop it to some... Okay, this should be good. Then I crop the ending. Okay.
Bro, at this point,
like
GTA
this.
6 isn't even a game anymore. It's a legend, like Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster.
Okay, that looks good. Next thing we want to do is generate the captions. Let it generate real quick. Depends on how long your video is. It can take some time. Then I like to put them around, like up here somewhere. It's a bit buggy right now, no idea why. But I like to move it up here. Then I change it, the pattern to the thicker one. The preset style, the preset style I mean. I do the thickness a bit up. So it should look like this.
Bro, at this point, GTA 6 isn't even a game anymore.
Yeah, that looks good. Alright, bugged a bit. Okay. Next thing you want to do is make this. Hold on. Make this a bit shorter like this, like that. And then you basically want to go through each of them and make one or two of the words, like the main words in the sentence, in the big bold letters. Then you want to take an emoji. Usually it's the crying one or like the rose one. And you just add it to every single caption. For example, here you can do this. And then you would add praying or whatever. And you do that for every single one. Next up, you need to go to audio. And you need to find this exact audio right here. It's in the CapCut audios, so it's easy to find. Then you click add. Cut this. Make it a bit quieter.
Bro, at this point...
Sorry, it's a bit buggy. No idea why.
Bro, at this point,
Should
GTA
look
6
like
isn't
this.
even a game anymore. It's a legend, like Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster.
So that's good. Next you need any of those sound effects you want to add. It can be anything. The more different ones you have, the more entertaining it's gonna be. But for this, I'm just gonna add the basic boom one that everyone uses right here. It sounds like this.
GTA 6 isn't even...
It's the basic wine boom. And you would basically just place it after every caption almost. Or even more often. Whatever you want to do. You need to make it flow, sound nice, and just be interesting. You can get those in this website, myinstance.com. All of the sound effects are here, you can just download them. And next up, for the meme itself, I usually go to Pinterest. And you, based on what the video is about, you look up, for example, horror meme. And you take any of these, let's say this one, you download it. Then you head back here, import the image, and place it exactly where the boom was. Then you crop it a bit, so it's not over the text. Go to animation, in, fade in, out, fade out, and it should look like this.
Bro, at this point, GTA 6 isn't even a game anymore.
So yeah, you would continue doing this all throughout the video till the end. And that's it, then you export and upload. It's really that simple to make these videos. And you can see they're pulling in decent views, like 30k, 30k, 13k, 30k. It's that simple. So yeah, see you guys next time.